Apocalypse.
Before we start this episode, make sure to invite my verified bot and make sure to join the code and server. It will all be linked in the description. So let's get into it. Yo guys, before we start the video, I just want to say I've made a new addition for my Upgrade.chat packages. So all the monthly payments, all these ones are still going to be kept the same, but for the buying ones, you will no longer get access to a channel. Instead, when you buy this, you're not buying the bot itself, you're buying the role. And then once you buy the role, you'll get access to do a command. You'll get access to whatever you bought. So if you bought the bot package, you'll get access to use the bot package command. If I take the role off me, which is Disco bot package, if I remove that and if I try and use the bot package command on my private bot on the server, I don't have the necessary role, so you gotta buy it from the shop, which will be this one here, the Discord bot package. And then once you bought it, make sure you're in the server before you buy it. Once you buy it, you're obviously gonna get the role, and then once you do /bot package again, you should get the bot's message, and it's all this. So here's your bot package, and you get the bot package itself, which is the .zip, and you get the how to set it up, and you also get the message, that one as well. And it also works the same for the ban package as well, so it DMs you with all the ban package and necessities for that. And I will also be adding every single command I do, so when I make this one, so when this video goes public, I'll also add a new command for the unban command, so it'll be /unban package, just like the ban command, and it'll send you the DM, but you make sure you gotta buy it from the shop, and I'll also add it to the shop as well. So yeah, this is just a quick thing for this new system that I'm doing for the commands. Remember, all the per months are still the same, the subscriptions, they're all still the same. So thanks for watching, let's get to the video. so like I said at the start, make sure to join our coding server if you need any help with any code. So if you get any errors, join the server, go to JS Coding Help and open a channel as it is here. See you on the next episode.
Go.